Let this sink in. The average American is now fatter than the average pig. That's not a punchline, it's a crisis because behind every pound is often a story of inflammation, chronic disease, and for many, an early death. Hi, I'm Dr. Cindy Ross. I'm a cancer support specialist and functional medicine practitioner. I work with patients every day who are fighting to reverse disease, reclaim their health, and understand how their body got sick in the first place. Did you know that over 42% of adults in the US are considered obese and nearly 75% are overweight? Meanwhile, pigs, a species we've often joked about being fat, have the average body fat percentage between 16 and 20%. That's right, we've surpassed pigs. But this isn't just about aesthetics. Obesity is not a cosmetic issue. It's a biological burden that leads to metabolic dysfunction, hormonal imbalances, insulin resistance, and inflammation. And it's silently driving the chronic illness epidemic. Let's break this down. When someone gains weight, especially around their midsection, they accumulate visceral fat. This type of fat wraps around the organs and secretes pro-inflammatory cytokines. That's a direct line to diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, stroke, autoimmune conditions, fatty liver disease, and yes, cancer, particularly breast, colon, ovarian, and pancreatic cancers. Obesity and inflammation are often the soil in which cancer grows. When your cells are inflamed, damaged, and oxidized, they can mutate. And when your immune system is constantly overwhelmed, can't do its job to kill abnormal cells. Research is clear. Obesity shortens lifespan. It increases your risk of early death by up to 20 years, depending on severity and comorbidities. The heartbreaking part, so much of it is preventable. And I say this with love because I've sat with patients, I cried with them, many of whom didn't even know they were at risk until it was too late. At Life Wellness Forever, I don't shame bodies. I don't judge anyone. I listen to them. I run advanced functional blood panels. I ask what your mitochondria is doing. I look at inflammation markers, hormones, insulin sensitivity, and your gut health because your body tells the truth. I work with cancer patients to reduce tumor burden, but even more importantly, I work with people before they get sick because prevention is the most powerful medicine. If you're watching this and you're feeling overwhelmed, just take one step. You don't have to overhaul your life in a day. Start by cutting sugar. Start walking daily. Get your labs checked. Get curious about your poop. Get curious about your pee. Talk to someone who can guide you through the storm. We are not destined for disease. We are not fated to follow the standard American lifestyle into the grave. You can live lighter, cleaner, and longer. And maybe, just maybe, we stop using pigs as the punchline and start realizing we're the ones in trouble. Let me help you get your health back. Visit lifewellnessforever.com or call 251-635-7477 to schedule a consultation. Let's rewrite your story because you deserve a body that fights for you, not against you.